Learn verb variations and their Igbo meanings. Igbo, English. Number 1 dopo. Dopo is our parent verb. Dopo means push out. We are going to make this verb dopo, we are going to make it to vary from dopo to other forms of verbs by adding our prefix mgbakwunye nganihu and also suffix mgbakwunye nsonaazụ. Let's start. Number B, idopo, to push out. Idopo, to push out. You can see our prefix here, we put it to dopo, it becomes idopo, to push out. Number C, doporo, pushed out. Doporo, pushed out. Doporo is a past tense of dopo. Number D, na adopo, is pushing out. Na adopo is pushing out. When you hear na a or na a, it shows a verb in present continuous tense. You will know it in English by ing at the ending of the word, like this one, pushing. Number A, ga adopo, we push out. Ga adopo, we push out. When you hear ga a or ga a in Igbo, it shows a verb in future tense. You will know it by will. When you see will, you will know that the verb is in future tense, something that will happen later, not that time. Number 3, ga adopo, go push out. Ga adopo, go push out. When you hear ga, ga, it is a command. It is a verb. We use it to give command or instructions. Number G, adopola, don't push out. Adopola, don't push out. This one, adopola, it is a negative instruction. Opposite instruction, adopola, don't push out. Number B, adopohe, did not push out, or adopohe, did not push out. Number he, garadopo, went and pushed out. Garadopo, went and pushed out. You can see how this verb, dopo, being our parent verb, how we change it, how it varies from dopo, push out, to idopo, to push out. Doporo, pushed out. Na dopo is pushing out. Gadopo, we push out. Gadopo, go push out. Gadopo, go push out. Adopola, don't push out. Adopohe, did not push out. Garadopo, went and pushed out. Have you seen how it varies by adding our prefix and also suffix? As you know them, know our prefix and our suffix or suffixes. So we are going to be using them next time, one after another, as usual, to make our sentences. Bye. Share our videos. Follow us for more. Subscribe to our channel.